Hello! Do you want to see how easy it is to cook plantains? Well, here's two methods. Come on. I know you've seen these colors in the supermarket and you wonder, oh my goodness, how do I cook them? Well, also this is the way we like to eat them. The darker the plantain, the sweeter. But here's the way I like to choose. I like to make sure that the ridges are smooth. The two ways I'm going to be cooking them is frying them and boiling them. We always wash the skin because we use the skin. Both these methods use the skin. You cut them in threes. You peel them, and then you just slice them. There's so many different ways of slicing. That was one of them. Here's the second way. My favorite way is this way. It's faster. You cut them at a 45-degree angle. You make sure the oil is pretty hot. Okay, it needs to be very hot. Otherwise, they'd be too saturated with the oil. Stay with them because they brown really easy. Don't walk away. 2 minutes and then turn them over, and another minute and a half or so. And then you take them out. You cover them with the skin. Remember we told you about the skin? That keeps them really, really warm. And it gives them a different flavor. When you're ready to plate them, take those out. But the other one, again, remember it was washed. And I used the darker ones for this one. Cut them in half, and then cut them in half again. I put them in the microwave with water. You just make sure that the water covers them all the way. This is my spring water, by the way. I have a video on that. I will put an iCard there. It's easier if you cover them. I don't cover them here, but I usually do. You give it 6 minutes in the microwave. And be very, very careful because when they come out, they're extremely hot. They will puff. They will puff up. This is what they look like. So delicious. 2 ways of cooking them, and I just love both ways. So I find that the best plantains I always find at the Latin American mini mart, along with all the ripe fruit. All right, bye-bye. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.